In this video, we'll deploy NATS JetStream on Cuemby Cloud. This solution combines the speed of NATS for messaging between services with JetStream's capabilities for message persistence and more robust data flows. In other words, it not only allows real-time application communication but also preserves information and handles events with greater reliability. During the video, we configure the instance, select the necessary resources, and complete the deployment from the platform. While Cuemby Cloud performs provisioning, it's also important to review how the service's network will operate, whether it will rely solely on internal connectivity or require a public IP address for controlled external access. Backups are also crucial for protecting the configuration and data of the environment, especially in a solution where message persistence plays a vital role. Finally, we validate that NATS JetStream is operational and ready to connect services, move events, and support more reliable communication flows. We verify with the Telnet service that the port of NATS JetStream is enabled and ready for operation. Thus, with Cuemby Cloud, the client not only provides a messaging tool, but also a solution prepared for scenarios that require greater continuity, order, and control over the data flowing between applications.